time. All right, let me do this. On this week, something to smile at. We're being challenged to put on a pair of shorts with no hands. Hello, Sylvia.
Can I please get 2 last kit because true by I'm handicapped by my wait, Nev, wait, no man. Wait, I'm handicapped by my big pants.
Shana, can start or have we just do the not that all?
We have to put them
I
on.
have to take off my shoes then.
You know, Daddy, you spent a lot of money to send me to school. It's not for to do this, but... But Shauna, look here now. Look here. This is going to make it very hard. Wait, hello.
Eh?
We never say go. Take off your pants.
It's not a race. It's not a race. Take off my pants.
Take off those shoes. You slacker.
But it's not a race.
Ready?
Yeah, it's not a race. Go. Go.
Boy.
What? Then that me do?
What, like so?
No, but it was away and then I put my foot in it.
Come
See
there.
there?
Ready? It's not Never, you need to go to the beach though, your feet though.
Every time I take off my shoes, when they say that, I'm very happy with my white foot. It's not gonna work, so.
Hey! Oh, this is only got too much information, so let me just turn to the side. It's not funny. Wait, this is ready. We're squatting now. Catch up on the yasso. Oh. Just need to
I can make a one draw.
Can we both get a one draw? Just one,
Just
Sean.
one chance.
One?
She said no.
Gosh.
Well, mine can't go no further.
Did you really put on that song?
But mine not bad.
To step in at the club and dance to dub. No, but I just need to get... Sean.
Just one, Shauna.
Sean, I just need to get up this part, over this. Cause remember my pants big, so I'm at a disadvantage.
Hold on, man. General, so
why you have to put a close up on that Prince?
You know,
big cheating. Why Prince coming? Why Prince stay so?
It's not Prince.
Shauna, it's who?
Garnet.
It's who working. Garnet, why you say like that? You say it always say? Oh my. That's just too much. Nev. Okay, I think we just have to go with whose pants are further. Look at this. This is not fair. Disadvantage.
All right, one. I catch you.
It's not fair. Nev.
You get
Lucas.
one. I get one.
Okay.
See me there?
It's not. No. Watch out. Turn your back. You don't wear your pants like those, man, out of road. Pull it up.
Hold on.
This is the rough part. It's the bottom. No, come from around here, you old teeth.
My pants, my shorts gone up, you know.
I'm handicapped by my
But
big foot pants.
If you come in here and see this, don't my shorts look like?
No.
My shorts in?
No. Well, if you were 30, 40, 50 years younger, you look like those guys out the street who wear them.
But this is how you wear now.
New style. Style can't spoil. So if you go outside today and you look like any one of us, you're in fashion. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a new way wear.
By the way, let me win. My
You can't win.
My shorts higher than yours.
No. Look.
Look. Thank you.
Hunger through the volume on mine, you know. Hunger through the volume.
That's it for
Wrong
this.
day to wear a Bigfoot pants.
So, no, it's the first me ever tired I try to put on that shorts. Yeah, say, we soon come. Hi, boy. I can't take off my clothes.